How to transfer gallery photos from one phone to another. This tutorial shows you how to upload your photos to Google Drive and download them on your other device, on your Android device. First, open Google Drive on your Android device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to add new files. From there, tap on Upload from the options that appear. At this point, tap on Photos and Videos to open your gallery. In the next step, select all the photos you want to transfer by tapping on each one to select them. Following this, tap Upload to start uploading all the selected photos to your Google Drive. Once done, wait for the upload to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on how many photos you're transferring and your internet speed. From here, once the upload is finished, pick up your other phone and open Google Drive on it. At this stage, make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that you used to upload the photos on the first phone. After this, navigate to the folder where your uploaded photos are stored and tap on it to open it. Once completed, tap on any photo to open it and then tap the download icon to save it to your device. Finally, repeat the same step for all the remaining photos or select them all at once and download them together to your gallery. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer your photos between devices using Google Drive, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.